Welcome Jay Questus, and this is a new video, and today we are at the Mangalore River Festival. So I have also with one of my foodie friend with me, Shashank.
Hey there, hey
Hi.
everyone. I have a foodie page which is a foodie traveler, and it's on Instagram. Please check it out.
Okay, cool. And it's like I tried to find some company, and I found at least one person here. So I'll be visiting a few of the stalls. So I guess shall we start from one stall at a time?
Yeah, let's start one.
Yeah, I'll take you guys to one stall at a time, and look at the spotlight behind. I got a good light. It fills your good spotlight. This is the first commercial stall. So we have, I think it's a boutique. So this is the second one, and they have the glass paintings around here, and all are handmade. You can see the store there. We are at the third stall. They have clothes, handmade, all the arts and crafts. Next comes something about food. It's all homemade products. Your pickle, I think all masala powders, papads, and many more. And there's a cute plant also. So we're gonna visit the next. It's again the clothes store. It's a fifth one. So again the next is the clothes. Next again is a jewelry. Again is the clothes. Next I hope I find some
the bags.
again the bags. Again the jewelry. So we have reached almost 10. Flea 11. Starry stall. It's very rush. Flea 12. Again jewelry stuff. Flea 13, again the clothes stop. Flea 14, again the ladies jewelry.
Okay.
Flea 15, again the jewelry.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Okay, now we are done with this is the Flea 15. We are done with the products thing. And so far we didn't find anything which we could buy. So now we are going to check out the food session which starts from 16. So this is the first in the seafood. Kalia, okay. So they had they had kori roti and sukka. This is food stall number 4. They have charts, and I can see the potato, or what do you call that, ring thing.
Potato spring.
Yeah, this is a food stall 5. This is time. You see the poster there. Pasta and and they also have chicken wings, and they also cook right here. Food number 6 is by The Spice, fried rice, which is cooked right there. The baby tasty charmuri and mango masala. That's a huge name. So this looks nice. Next we are gonna go to food stall number 9. They have I met one more foodie, Sudin. Let me focus on him. Okay, so yeah, and I didn't know he was here. As I'm vlogging, someone called out my name. Sudin! Did you try anything today?
I did try a few stalls, so I came here quite early. There was nothing, absolutely nothing. There were no people. I was worried, but then I came back again in the evening. Now it's like totally crowded, and but I managed to try the fish fry at one of the stalls.
Okay.
The Bangude Rava fry, which was amazing, and just 60 bucks. I don't know, you wouldn't get it anywhere in the city in a hotel.
What is that?
So I just bought this. It's one of the mocktails here. I don't remember the name. It's called Low Tide.
Okay.
So it's a grenadine syrup mocktail with Sprite and stuff. I wish they had cocktails, but there's only mocktails here today.
Food stall number 10, where they have all the fruit salad, and they also have the corn masala. So we are at the food stall number 11. By
Dolce.
Okay. So they have, okay, you can explain what they
We
have.
have cupcakes, we have mason jar cakes, we have brownies,
Okay.
we have pizza rolls for savory, we
Okay.
have lava cupcakes, we have biscottis, that's Italian biscuits,
Okay.
and we also have peanut butter and granola.
Okay. So did you prepare all this?
Me, my mom and her.
Okay. So this is food stall number 11. They have food stall number 12, that is Puli Monchi. They have the pundi and the puli munchi and normal idli and the fries. And there's chicken. And yeah, it's all home cooked products. Yeah, they also have supka. So that is food stall number 13. Basically about snacks, and they have some curries. So I am not sure what exactly. There's a board over there. I just met Pearl and Chetan. I'm gonna try out the ice cream. Pearl. So food stall number 14 have gobi manchuri and pav bhaji. Okay, they have gobi manchuri and pav bhaji. This is food stall number 15. They have a hotel Tamanna. So there, I think it's all about fish fries. Is it? What do you have? Okay, they have cutlet, samosa, chicken roll. So this is all about snacks again. Katta da kori. Okay. So this is all about snacks. This is food stall number 15. I found one more person. I introduced her.
My name is Urmila and I'm his dance partner. What do you say?
Okay, and you tried this place?
It's quite good. We had pizza and shows like India's Got Talent, Asia's Got Talent.
Which one was good?
Sanjal
Fry was good. So that's the end of the food stall. Next is again the flea market 16, which is again the ladies section. All the bags. Oh, they have craft work. They have the pottery, and I think it's all handmade. And they have the bar soap. So again, this is bags. So we're gonna check out the next. That's a flea market 17 in jewelry.
That's the
Same thing. Flea market 18, they have baskets which are bamboo or cane. And the flea 19, they have towels. These are the bath towels. Flea market 20, probably it's closed right now. While flea market 21, they again have clothes. Again, it's all ladies section. Next is 22, they have pickles. No, it's not pickle, it's not pickle. They have seeds, sorry, they have seeds. 23, okay, they have in the seeds, I think that's a vegetable seeds, all are vegetable seeds. So flea number 24 again, it's dress. Flea number 25, it's all about artwork. Number 26, that's a tattoo shop. Have different tattoos. I don't see much people around there, but yeah.
Temporary and permanent.
So they have temporary.
Both temporary and permanent. I don't know who will make a permanent one here.
Yeah, I don't think. Yeah, it's not. It's not safe.
It's not safe. Do not try that.
Okay. So next is again Flea 27. They have all the watches. I don't find any men. Yeah, there are men watches. At least one stall I found. Yeah.
Other than food.
So they also have. Huh? Which one? Okay, they have tender coconut opener. I don't know how it works, but I'm curious to try that.
I have it. You just punch it. You just take that and you hold the coconut at whatever angle you want. You just press it and it goes in so smooth like you're cutting butter or something. I don't know how it works, but it works.
Okay, I should try this out. So this is coconut.
That looks interesting.
Then you can have it.
Oh, that's nice.
You can just press it and it comes.
Oh, okay. You can also drink it as a straw. So I'll also. This is a thing. Gas ladle. It's a gas ladle. So they also have the sprayer. But this is something which I liked. This is something unique, and it's a stall number 20, Flea Market 27, and they have this all artworks exhibition and sale. They have a lot of artworks here. Hey, they have my name here. Jay Hey.
This is I.
That's I. Yeah.
That's you, bro.
Yeah, that's me. That's me. So I have my painting here. This is my painting. So yeah. Okay, it's there. So visited the flea market, the first part, then we visited a food market, then again the flea market. Now it's an art gallery section. So basically that's the entrance which we came right up there. From there, right opposite we have the Artworks gallery. So they have exhibition as a sale. Probably I should have kept my artwork for sale. I have Sharat Olla and Ganesh. Did you paint all this? So what is the price range of the artworks here?
Between 5,000 and 25,000.
They have the ferry counter here. They have a sand art going
Go
on.
inside if you want.
No, there are boats here.
No, you can go from this side. I know the guy.
Okay. So we know the person, so we are gonna check it out. So we are at the sand art area. They are building sand art. Still building, right?
Yeah. So
To be